guys, so we've done the whisker, we've done the boot, the badge, so we're going to show you now how to fit the handles. Now obviously pretty straightforward, but we'll just give you a couple of guides anyway. So first of all, obviously we're going to clean up this with the primers as always. So these help especially in this cold weather when it's like this, we always advise warming up the glue, which helps promote the adhesion as well. So basically you're just going to get one of these and you're just going to wipe all over. You can see they're very wet and they're very smelly as well. So basically don't dry it off afterwards, you're just going to wipe just the surface of the handle like that. And just make sure you get all the edges. And that's just going to help it stick. So we'll go on to showing you the handles while that dries off a little bit. So we're going for gloss because we've done everything else in gloss. So as you can see, it comes in a two-part kit. Obviously the handle, one for the passenger side and one for the driver's side. So obviously we do these in carbon, matte, gloss, just like all the other stuff. So now that's just evaporating. Get all that off, anything wet, so make sure it's just sort of dry, but you'll feel it's just a little bit tacky on there. So first of all, before you do anything, you're going to familiarise yourself with how these fit. So obviously this one's going to go there. So that looks like a pretty good fit to me. Now we get the other piece, and obviously that one just goes, you can see there, it's just goes on there. Okay guys, so we've been inside and we've basically just warmed up the glue on those with a heater. So obviously we can now peel those off. So what you're going to do on these, let's put that one down. So obviously when you get it, you're going to go across that top edge there and you're going to make sure that's perfectly covering the chrome, and obviously on ours it's grey. So it's basically, don't worry about the bottom, it's the top that you need to get lined up there. So once that's on, just make sure that's going to clear your handle, which it does. And that's that one on. Just line that up a bit better and give it a good firm press down. So there we go, so that's that one on. So coming to the second one again, I've warmed this one up and we're just going to peel the red tape off. Now obviously on this one, what you want to do is make sure, so you're going to angle it that way. So basically you're going to do this back edge first. If it's not perfect under here, you're not going to notice it, and obviously we want this bit to be the bit. Now you'll notice on the end there, it's got a little bit of a kick. It's not an imperfection or it's not been cut short. You'll see your original one there has got a gap, and obviously when you pull it like that, it tilts, so that's not going to touch your bodywork then. So that's just an explanation for that. So again, get it as close as you can, get it lined up on the edge there. Once that's perfectly on, again, good firm press down. So as you can see there, we're all on. And that's it basically guys, so I'll just show you over the top there. So obviously on this back edge here is where my rubber seal is there. That's the edge that you're going to make perfect. So there you go guys. I won't show you a fitting video on the other side because obviously it's the same as this. You can buy these on our website www.KillAllChrome.com. Like, share and subscribe because there'll be more Abarth videos coming soon. Thank you very much for watching.